15 foods that help fight cancer. Many people are interested in whether nutrition choices can help prevent cancer or slow its progress. Eating a wide variety of plant foods is a good start. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans contain hundreds of health-promoting phytochemicals that you can't get from a dietary supplement. Here are some of the best cancer-fighting foods to put on your plate. 1. Flaxseed lignans help fight cancer. Reduce prostate cancer with flax seeds. Research studies have shown that lignans can slow the growth of prostate cancer cells. Breast cancer survival was significant in 3 studies that followed thousands of women diagnosed with breast cancer, published at PubMed Central 1, 2, 3. They found lignans might play an important role in reducing all-cause and cancer-specific mortality of the patients operated on for breast cancer. 2. Tomatoes lower risk of cancer. Risk of breast cancer may be reduced with tomatoes due to their high amounts of carotenoids, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, lycopene and total carotenoids, as shown by research in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute. Risk of prostate cancer was found to be reduced in a study showing men who ate more than 10 portions of tomatoes or tomato products per week reduced their risk of prostate cancer by 18% compared to men who ate less than 10. It is clear that the current evidence favors the consumption of tomatoes and tomato products rather than lycopene supplements as stated in the Oxford journals. 3. Avocados help fight cancer cells. The glutathione found in avocados has been found to help prevent some kinds of cancers. Researchers at Ohio State University found nutrients in Hass avocados kill or stop the growth of precancerous cells that lead to oral cancer. Avocado extract was found to inhibit prostate cancer. Molecules in avocados have been found to attack leukemia stem cells directly while leaving healthy cells unharmed, according to a study. 4. Garlic fights cancer. Lung cancer risk decreased in a study with those who ate raw garlic 2 or more times a week, according to a study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research. The researchers also found that even smokers who ate raw garlic decreased their risk of lung cancer by around 30%. Garlic, as an allium vegetable, has been found in a study to protect against stomach and colon cancers. In test tubes, garlic seems to kill cancer cells. And studies suggest that people who eat more raw or cooked garlic are less likely to get colon and stomach cancers and cancer of the esophagus. 5. Legumes, beans and lentils, reduce cancer risk. Prostate cancer risk was found to be lower in a 6-year study of more than 14,000 men living in the US. Those with the highest intake of legumes, beans, lentils or split peas, had a significantly lower risk of prostate cancer. Legumes were found to reduce risk for colon cancer. Scientists examined 14 studies with 1,903,459 participants and found that those consuming the most legumes, especially soybeans, had the lowest risk for colon cancer. Pancreatic cancer risk was lessened when legumes were consumed more than 2 times a week compared to those who ate legumes rarely or less than once a week, according to a study. 6. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, help prevent cancer. Cruciferous vegetables have been shown to lower overall cancer risk according to research at Oregon State University. They have been found to help inhibit and regulate cancer-causing genes, according to research at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. People who ate greater amounts of the cruciferous vegetable, Brussels sprouts, had a lower risk of cancer, as stated at the National Cancer Institute fact page. 7. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. Scientists have shown a lot of interest in berries due to their antioxidant properties and potential health benefits. One study shows that anthocyanin, which is a compound in blackberries, lowers biomarkers for colon cancer. Another study demonstrates that the anti-inflammatory effects of blueberries can prevent the growth of breast cancer tumors in mice. 8. Grapes. Resveratrol is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound found in grapes, especially red and purple ones, where it's most concentrated in the skin. In animal studies, resveratrol has been shown to prevent cancer and slow the growth of cancer cells. 9. Green tea. This mild, grassy-tasting brew contains catechins, antioxidants with anti-cancer properties. In fact, green tea contains 3 times more catechins than black tea. Drinking green tea regularly has been associated with lower risk for cancers of the bladder and digestive tract. 10. Soy. Whether you consume tofu, miso, tempeh, edamame, or soy milk, you're getting the health benefits of soybeans. Soy foods are rich in estrogen-like isoflavones such as genistein and daidzein. Studies suggest that soy foods protect against hormone-related cancers, including those of the breast, prostate, and endometrium. 11. Winter squash. The deep orange flesh of acorn, butternut, pumpkin, and other winter squashes is a clue that they're rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoid pigments. In addition to being an antioxidant, beta-carotene is transformed into vitamin A, a nutrient that also may help prevent cancer. 12. Carrots. Carrots contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which may prevent certain types of cancer. Carrots contain several essential nutrients including vitamin K, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Carrots also contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which is responsible for the distinct orange color. Recent studies reveal that beta-carotene plays a vital role in supporting the immune system and may prevent certain types of cancer. A review of 8 studies shows that beta-carotene has links to a reduction in the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Another analysis shows that higher consumption of carrots results in a 26% lower risk of developing stomach cancer. 13. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and anchovies, is rich in essential nutrients, such as vitamin B, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. One study found that people whose diets were high in freshwater fish had a 53% lower risk for colorectal cancer than those low in freshwater fish. Another study found that consumption of fish oil later in life has links to significantly lower risk for prostate cancer. Finally, a study following 68,109 people found that people who consumed fish oil supplements at least 4 times a week were 63% less likely to develop colon cancer than those who did not. 14. Walnuts. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, all nuts exhibit cancer-preventing properties, but scientists have studied walnuts more than other types of nut. Walnuts contain a substance called pedunculagon, which the body metabolizes into urolithins. Urolithins are compounds that bind to estrogen receptors and may play a role in preventing breast cancer. In one animal study, mice receiving whole walnuts and walnut oil had higher levels of tumor-suppressing genes than the mice receiving vegetable oil. 15. Supplements and medications. Although the foods listed above are everyday products and readily available, some people may not want to make significant dietary or lifestyle changes. In this case, there are plenty of supplements and medications available that contain anti-cancer compounds. Vitamins A, C, and E are notable for their anti-cancer properties and are available as supplements in most major grocery stores. Most of the plant-based compounds listed throughout this video, such as fluoretin, anthocyanin, and sulforaphane, come in pill form. Over-the-counter medications, such as aspirin and ibuprofen, may also lower the risk of cancer in some people. Always speak to a medical professional before starting a new medication or supplement regimen. Research into preventing cancer through diet is still in the early stages and requires further testing. Scientists carried out most of the studies mentioned in cells or mice. However, it is important to remember that eating a balanced diet high in fresh fruits, vegetables, and good fats will benefit overall health.